God, giving comfort indeed. Show you commitment and love and loyalty. Take this journey with Tierra, many things to see. Yeah, I'll show you love again.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tierra. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, hey girl, hey. I'ma just go on and let y'all know. I let my vanity get real bad, and it is what it is. Cause I'm not even gonna lie, when it comes to being a single parent, you prioritize, and this vanity was just not a priority. But I'm tired of looking at it. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up. Let me show y'all what it's looking like, cause I need my ass whooped. I ain't even gonna lie. Look at, look. I don't even know what all we got going on, baby. I have no clue. What I do know, these are eyeshadow books. I'm throwing those. I'm tossing them. I'm going to straighten the vanity, but then I'm gonna like clean my makeup brushes. Yeah, I don't feel like doing none of this, but I bet you I'm gonna feel 10 times better when it's done. All right, let's get into it. I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib, using no hands, so did it feel like I'm floating? But I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found shit of them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see it when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish with 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. Not sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. I don't know what this is, yeah, but I feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. Yeah, young. Today, this was everything I need, right? Not so fond of change, I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me, no, I don't need nobody, yes. I was so naive, somehow I'm still all in on me, yeah, yeah. Way too many times I let the ball drop. Now I'm Steph Curry with the wrist flick, so they cold shoulders never defrost. No deal, but I pre-floss with the money tree in a deep pot. So I'm corner lanes with the rundown. Bitch, I'm all in the field with the cleats off. Everything that I wanted to reach, I had the tunnel vision, couldn't see far. Negative vibes that I feed off got me up and down like a seesaw. All these decoys hit the destroy. Usually keep it poised, but it's ultra violent with the power moves when I deploy. For the real ones, I wanna feel something. Looking for a sign that I might be worth your time. Yeah. When I look into your eyes, it make me feel alive. I don't know what this is, yeah, but I feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out.
dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Oh, working all day.
The first time I saw ya, knew you were the one. Walking by so beautiful, girl. You moved like a song. I can't explain it. Your melody singing, it hit me so hard. You got me feeling like I've been dreaming. So don't wake me up. Oh baby, you're amazing in every way, every night and day. Oh baby, you're amazing. Got me in the days, wanna ride with me. I'm so caught up with you. Oh la la la, oh la la la, oh la la la. Oh baby, you're oh la la la, oh la la la, oh la la la. Oh baby, you're amazing. Girl, you can have it. Whatever you want, girl. I'm giving it all. Say the word and I'll take you wherever. Paris, London, New York. It don't really matter, I just wanna have ya. Your magic is strong. You got me feeling like I've been dreaming. So don't wake me up. Oh baby, you're amazing in every way, every night and day. Oh baby, you're amazing. Got me in the days, wanna ride with me. I'm so caught up with you. Oh la la la, oh la la la, oh la la la. Oh baby, you're oh la la la, oh la la la, oh la la la. Oh baby, you're amazing. My melody, my everything, amazing. I want you, amazing. My melody, my everything, yeah. Amazing. Ooh, I love ya. The first time I saw ya, knew you were the one. You're walking by so beautiful, girl. You moved like a song. Yeah, better when you mad me. Yeah. You got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting niggas, but you didn't. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best, I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best.
Look, How you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make it clap, had to make you wait for that. You intrigued with conversation, you be moving dolo, I'm intrigued and I'm in admiration. I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good, natural without no operation. Fuck my old bitches hating, fuck your old niggas too. Younger me, he wanted street stripes, but they wasn't blue. Now I'm banking on the sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the credit you deserve, cause it's overdue. You got better when you met me, admit it. You said you done trusting niggas, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best, I'm obsessed, I'm like, yeah.
Okay, if you watched my vlog, maybe the one this week, you've seen that I just picked this up from Home Goods. And I mean, they have like the little drawers and whatnot, but I didn't really know what I wanted to do with it because I have like this one here, and it has like my like makeup and like all this stuff like in here. So I was like, okay, what do I want to use this one for? And so this one, I just came up with this idea. Bear with me. Let me see. I figure that I can like fill it up with like all my feminine products, and I'll put this in my bathroom. That's like, I don't know what just made me think of this, but I was like, ooh, these drawers are like the perfect size. So I have this one. Okay, and then for, what is this in here? So for the little tiny ones, let's see, I will put liners in here in the little tiny drawers. I mean, you could also use this one for tampons. I don't use them, so, but that would be a good idea here too. I thought I could do 3 rows, but no, I can do 2 rows here and 2 rows here. Actually, yeah, I should put them this way. That actually works better. I'm gonna turn these around. And then for this top drawer, I have these little, I don't know if y'all ever seen these, but these are a lifesaver. So I'll put these up here. Okay. So this whole thing is gonna go in my bathroom. It's not gonna stay on my vanity. But I think that's a cool little idea. All right, y'all, if you like this video, found anything that you could relate to, if you can relate to me, go ahead and subscribe. I would love for you to join the family. any comments or any questions that you guys have, I will be answering it. That is the beauty of being a small YouTuber. I actually see all of the comments and I actually can respond to every single person. So until next time, bye.